Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to make your About section public in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp Web application. Step 2. Next, click on the three dots located at the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Step 3. From the menu options, select Settings to access the WhatsApp Web settings. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, click on Privacy to manage your privacy preferences. Step 5. Now locate and click on About to customize your About section visibility settings. Step 6. Check the circle next to Everyone to make your About section visible to all WhatsApp Web users. And there you have it. Your About section is now public in WhatsApp Web. To quickly recap the steps, open WhatsApp, click on the three dots, select Settings, go to Privacy, click on About, and choose Everyone to make your About section public. By making your About section public, you can share information about yourself with other WhatsApp Web users and connect on a more personal level. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.